Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are doing this month's empties. Now I do not have a lot. I have to admit, I thought I would have gone through a lot more stuff, but then again, I don't wear makeup throughout the day. Like throughout the day? No, throughout the week. So, oh, there's a fly. Get out. So yeah, like I was saying, I do not wear makeup throughout the week, so you know it takes me longer to get through stuff. So yeah, okay, so anyway, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with skincare first. So the first thing that I used up is the Lacura Moisturising Face Wash. So I get this face wash in Aldi. It literally costs €2, but it does the job. It cleanses my face in the morning, and because it has a moisturizing formula, it doesn't leave my skin, you know, kind of feeling tight like some of the others do. Like my boyfriend, he has a charcoal one, so whenever I feel like using it, I kind of regret it the next day, or even, you know, in a few hours, because my face feels so tight. So I really appreciate that this one doesn't do that, and it's super easily accessible, so I definitely recommend it. And the next thing I used up is the 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. So yeah, I used up an eye cream. It's amazing. Like, I don't think I ever went through an eye cream, so I mean that's kind of crazy. I received this in one of my glossy boxes, I think, and I mean it's one of those expensive kinds, so I don't think I'll ever go and repurchase it, because like it probably costs like €6 or something for the full size, so no. But while I was using it, it was very good. It had that gel formula, so it was pretty light under my eyes, but it did hydrate my skin, which again I appreciate. The next thing is the Cien, I don't know, the little brand all-in-one BB cream from Lidl. Now I bought this because I thought that it would be nice to have a, I don't know, like a quick on the go foundation that you don't really need to think about, just slap it on and off you go. But I just don't like it. The texture is so weird. It's like thick, but it doesn't really provide that much coverage, and I just don't like it. It was so cheap. It was like $3.50, but ugh, it's just not for me. And I personally, like I probably mentioned a few times, I'm not a fan of like coverage foundation or products, so I don't even know why I bought it. I'm just getting rid of it. Like, I mean, I used up quite a bit of it. I just don't like it. Oh no, not for me. Maybe if you do like coverage foundations with, you know, some skincare benefit like SPF 15, and yeah, well, it is hydrating, 24-hour skin hydration. Don't know about that, but it is a hydrating one. Then maybe you could give it a try, but it just wasn't for me. And the next thing is the PS Contour and Sculpt Contour Kit. Okay guys, so what does this remind you of? This reminds me of the Smashbox Contour Palette. Now, as you can see, I hit pan on two of the shades, this kind of blushy highlighter thingy, and the bronzer. The bronzer is actually very good, and so is the setting powder. But I've had this for so long. I had this before I even started my blog, which is like, what, 2-3 years ago. So it's time to just pass it along. It was good. I mean, the contour shade apparently is kind of dark, but it did the job. It's a nice smooth bronzer. I don't think you can get this anymore anyway, so yeah, it's a good decision just to throw it out. And the last thing is the Model Co Mega Lash High Definition Mascara. So this mascara, I don't like, there isn't a lot of it left, and I've had it open for definitely more than half a year, so it's time for this to go. I don't want to get an eye infection or anything. So so this, oh, did I show you? I didn't show you. So this is what the mascara looks like, and this is what the wand looks like. I mean, it's not dried up. I just feel like, you know, it's not good anymore, you know. So it was good while I was using it. It gave me some length and some volume. It's not as good as my favorite mascara for now, which is the Miss Sporty one, but it was good enough. I wouldn't repurchase it because it didn't, you know, blow me away or anything, but it's a nice to have, not must have, you know. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Only 5 products. Just kind of sad that I didn't use up anything more, yeah. But you know, that's just how it is. So yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.